Ukraine again has the help of the US government. Joe Biden plans to send 4 MQ-1C Grey Eagle drones to Ukraine. The Ukrainian armed forces use a variety of Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 and AeroVironment RQ-20 Puma AE drones. The Grey Eagle represents a leap in technology because it can fly up to 30 hours or more, depending on its mission, and can collect large amounts of data for intelligence purposes. Grey Eagle, the more widely known Predator drone, can carry 8 powerful Helfire missiles. Drone expert Dan Gettinger of Vertical Flight said the MQ-1C is a much larger aircraft with a maximum takeoff weight about 3 times that of the Bayraktar TB2, with commensurate advantages in payload capacity, range, and durability. The MQ-1C has more ammunition variations than the Bayraktar TB2. Ukraine's Bayraktar is equipped with 22 kilograms, 48 pounds, a Turkish-made MAML missile about half the weight of Helfire. Ukraine got 4 HIMARS rocket systems. The Pentagon stressed that smaller systems such as the Javelin anti-tank system and the Stinger anti-aircraft missiles, delivered by Ukraine's allies by truck almost daily, are the most important and useful. Raytheon Technologies and Lockheed Martin Corporation manufactured Javelin, while Raytheon made Stinger.